Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. Yeah, VeChain could have bottomed now, given that we have finally a 5-wave move to the upside. That is what we wanted to see. We looked at the structure in previous videos and said we need 5 waves up in order to be able to calculate a support area for a possible wave 2 pullback, which I'm doing now because we have a possible 5-wave move up. It is only at best a diagonal though, it's not an impulse. Therefore we need to be on the lookout for lower prices still, but it now has a chance to follow through on the yellow wave count. And therefore I have added a support area for a possible wave 2. Support starts at the 38.2 retracement at 0.0183 and goes all the way down to 1.52 cents. So in between somewhere, if it all goes well and if the yellow wave count is working out, price should find support here and must not really drop below 1.52 cents, because if it does that, then the white wave count here is in control and we are fulfilling one more low, the one more low prophecy here, which is still possible. It has come up a little bit too much for a 4th wave though, but other interpretations are possible. So it's not guaranteed yet, yeah, because just for anybody who's not so familiar with market structure and price charts and Elliott wave, when you see 5 waves up, it's okay. It's the first level of 3 levels of confirmation that a trend is shifting. We need 5 waves up, 3 waves down, and a break above the first 5 waves up to confirm that price is going higher, yeah? And to confirm that the trend has shifted. Now, that doesn't mean you need to wait for all levels of confirmation, of course, right? That's a personal decision that depends on your trading strategy. The 5 up is the first level. The 3 waves down into the pullback zone is the second level of confirmation. If that holds, we have 2 levels of confirmation. For many people, that's enough. And the third level of confirmation, again, would be basically a breakout trade. Now, however, at the moment, we only have the first level of confirmation, so it can still break down. Just be aware of that. And such confirmation is much more important if we deal with a diagonal structure and not an impulsive structure. And this is not an impulsive structure. It is a diagonal because we have 3 wave structures in each subwave. Given that we have 3 wave structures in each subwave, first of all, it means that it's less reliable, but it also means that this thing could nearly be done because the 5th wave is a 3-wave move at the moment. Here, A, B, C, could get one more squiggle higher, but that's it. We reached, told you in the previous video, if we break out here, out of that descending broadening wedge, which is typically a structure out of which you get breakouts to the upside, next target would be here, this swing high at 2.1 cents. We've reached that now, so there's a bit of resistance there. Next resistance is 2.13, this small swing high. Above that, we've got here this area around 2.28, which could be the next target. But for the purpose of a pullback zone, if price came down now, and I have at this stage no confirmation that it has topped, then yeah, we have support here. And this also is the level below which, you know, we have to look for lower prices in the white wave count. That means the yellow count basically hasn't got really a chance anymore if price breaks below the 1.52 cent level. What else is there to mention? Not much. I mean, now it's all about waiting for a possible pullback, I guess, looking at this trade idea and executing. If anybody wants to do it, that's up to you. I'm not telling you to do it. It's just an idea, not a recommendation, of course, because it's very early days in a possible trend change, and VeChain is a risky altcoin. And yeah, you know, if you zoom out, you see that it basically made lower lows and hasn't really made higher highs yet. So yeah, it needs a bit of more work to do. But yeah, that's my best assessment based on Elliott wave here. It has a chance, certainly, but then a very relevant level on the VeChain chart is the 3.3 cent level. Very important. It's sort of here in this area between that A wave and the C wave. It's the 88.7 Fibonacci retracement level of the larger VeChain cycle, and price broke below it in 2022, moved back up, couldn't break back above it, and basically confirmed that Fib level as resistance, and since then has been going down further. So ultimately, in order to have a chance in next bull run, it needs to get back above that level. Okay, that's my update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.